F-35 is built to take on great power competitors, like Russia or China, who operate advanced air defense systems. The F-35 Lightning II Joint Strike Fighter is estimated to be the most expensive weapon system in human history. And the United States spends greater sums on the military than any other country. And it has emphasized air power as its chief military instrument in recent decades. Additionally, different variants of the F-35 are prepared to equip the Air Force, Navy, and Marines through most of the 21st century. And the type is also slated to serve in the Air Forces or Navies of Australia, Belgium, Italy, Denmark, Israel, Japan, the Netherlands, Norway, South Korea, and Turkey, and more countries likely to join the list. The F-35 fighter being bought for United States military services and allies is going through one of its periodic rough patches with the political culture. As in past such controversies, the criticism is curiously disconnected from the real-world situations in which F-35 might need to be used. The two most challenging such scenarios would be a Russian invasion of Eastern Europe or Chinese attempts to forcibly occupy Taiwan. And both scenarios could require the United States to fight far from home, on the doorstep of a major military power. If aggression succeeded in either place, it would realign global power relations in a way severely detrimental to the United States. However, the United States must be able to respond decisively to such regional challenges, both to deter aggression and to defeat it if deterrence fails. And it is not hard to see how F-35 could provide the margin of victory in either place. Conversely, it is easy to see how the absence of F-35 could lead to United States defeat and a huge setback to America's global standing. In an unguarded moment several months after Russia annexed Crimea, Russian leader Vladimir Putin observed that his nation's military could occupy any Eastern European capital within 2 days. And when NATO scrambled to develop responses to a resurgent Russia, the danger that most concerned United States Army planners was the loss of air dominance over Eastern Europe. Russian military had deployed a host of new air defense weapons such as the S-400 missile in places like Kaliningrad that could cover the entire region. And the Cold War fighters of European allies were vulnerable to Russia's ground air defenses, not to mention its new tactical aircraft.